All right, so we are 1-0 up at this as it stand. 1-0 up as it stand right now. We are 1-0 up. Definitely Bunny Shaw with a glimpse in header, people. We are 1-0 up. It's a good start. It's a very good start after we have seen what the Mexican of, well, not the Mexican. Well, they started quite nice. They're playing some good football, but the USA defeated 80, and we want this win. If we can hold out this 1-0 or even get another goal to solidify this, this is definitely a good opportunity for us to finish at the top of the table. Massive goal here. Huge goal. Let me see if I can let you guys see some. I'm not even sure if I could do this, but definitely that's it. Over the top, Bonishaw, glimpse it header. There it is. Bonishaw with a goal for Jamaica. Nonetheless, people, huge respect to Bonishaw for that goal. Put us in a prime position as it stands right now. So big up Bonishaw. Let's see how we can hold out this one. Let's see if we can get another goal. Tough game so far. Mexican has a lot of possession, but as it stands, we look very dangerous in transition going forward. Let's see how we can build on that. Let's see how we can capitalize on that. Big up. Let's see how this one can go. We're out, people. We are out. Boom.